the award for Inspirational Author and Voice of Resilience, India. The award goes to Smriti Gautam. Congratulations to author Smriti Gautam, the winner of Inspirational Author and Voice of Resilience, India Award. It is a privilege to introduce a woman whose life story is a masterclass in resilience and reclamation. For years, Smriti Gautam was defined by her discipline as a diligent UPSC aspirant. She came remarkably close to her dreams, yet life had a different path in store for her.
Beside me is the gorgeous Miss Smriti, who is an author from India. Before I get into your award, what made you create such creativity? What made you put words into this?
Actually, frankly speaking, first of all, I just want to thank this esteemed pageant which has recognized my creativity. And this creativity is not just a creativity, it's something which comes, this book, my book Karishma Kudrat Ka, it comes from my heart, the heart which is there in every girl. I've been the inspiration what you asked me. This inspiration is about my life, which has been so struggling. I failed in a marriage, and I actually saw very those black days. But that was the inspiration that I wrote a book, which could connect to the heart of every girl and women out there who really want to speak and say what's there, and society just pulls her back. So this was my inspiration to this beautiful book, and I hope that it connects to every woman out there. It's just this Karishma Kudrat Ka is for all the women out there. So that's there.
That is female empowerment right there, ladies and gentlemen. One more question before you go. Do you really think that words can move mountains?
Yeah, definitely. I'm moving a mountain. I'm coming out of that black shell where my in-laws once wanted to pull me down. And I'm coming out of that, performing, doing my duties, writing a book. And I'm also a finalist to a beauty pageant, so there also, I will give this voice which is in my heart to all the people there. And that's what this way I will definitely move the mountains. Yeah.
She has moved all of the mountains. It's female empowerment right here, ladies and gentlemen. Us, Global Icon Awards, we wish you all the very best and congratulations on your achievement.
Thank you so much.